Breaking news. Kylian Mbappe has filed a lawsuit against PSG for extortion, harassment and for banning him from training with the squad those in 2023. भाई मेसी का हो रहा है इतना है कि बंदा अब लॉसूट पेल रहा है पीएसजी के ऊपर बिकॉज ही कुड नॉट ट्रेन विद मेसी. ही इज फाइलिंग अ लॉसूट 2 साल बाद. भाई माँ का लाडला बिगड़ गया. व्हाट द हेल. दिस इज द सेम प्लेयर दैट स्टेड इन पीएसजी फॉर एन एक्स्ट्रा ईयर. भाई उसको पैसा, गाड़ी, शोहरत, बोट लोड्स ऑफ मनी, साथ में बोट, छाक. भाई द आईफेल टावर वाज नेम्ड in the name of Kylian Mbappe and he stayed in PSG. And वो same बंदा is filing a lawsuit against PSG. What the hell is going on? भाई what? ये देखो, Mbappe is filing a lawsuit against PSG for harassment. This is real. Perez ने 2 साल जब आया था बोला था Mbappe has arrived at Real Madrid after making an effort that no one could have ever imagined. भाई what was Perez talking about? What did Mbappe go through? Is he a survivor? Is he a kiddie victim? Is he a Epstein victim? We don't know भाई. इसने क्या सहन करा, इसने क्या देखा है. भाई देखो मजाक से हटके, because this is very serious and this is very impactful. मैं ऐसे बताऊंगा क्योंकि PSG is not a small club भाई. PSG is a massive club. PSG का पैसा अनगिनत है, अनधुना है. For Mbappe to file a lawsuit against PSG, भाई तुम चार्जेस देखो भाई. Guilty मतलब allegedly भाई. Oh my god. PSG for extortion, forced him to sign a new contract by banning him from training in the squad, and harassment by 3-4 पता नहीं कितने accusations करे Mbappe ने PSG पे. That's a lot of accusations. That's a lot of big words. That's a lot of strong words by Mbappe's team. Fabrizio मजाक करो. To PSG भाई. This is massive. भाई देखो, Paris and PSG is not a भाई, that is not a goofy country भाई. They don't play around in Paris भाई. उनके fans are crazy. That club is different. That club, how it is backed, समझ जाओ भाई, it's different. For Mbappe to do this, भाई अगर तुम हरास हुए थे, you are filing a lawsuit that you were extorted 2 साल पहले. So what gives you the confidence to file a lawsuit now भाई? भाई first of all भाई applause to Mbappe to standing up against harassment I guess. क्योंकि 2 साल बाद this is crazy भाई. and he's a French player. अब वो पेरिस में जाएगा, अब वो फ्रांस में जाएगा. would he be safe? I don't know भाई. That's crazy because Mbappe is the legend for France national team. You cannot say a legend for PSG. Maybe I don't know PSG की history, मतलब मैं जर्सी पहनी हुई है. But you know what भाई, this is crazy. अब ये देखो चार्जेस. मैं ट्रांसलेट करता हूँ मैंने. ये क्या हो गया भाई? उई आई डोंट नो हाउ टू रीच फ्रेंच भाई. मैं व्हाट? अबे चेंज होता है भाई. मैंने इंग्लिश करी तो हुई थी. अबे ये कौन सी इंग्लिश है भाई? व्हाट भाई, इंग्लिश चेंज हो गई क्या? व्हाट भाई, डिक्शनरी की अपडेट आई है क्या? व्हाट द हेल एम आई मिसिंग? व्हाट ब्रव इंग्लिश. थैंक यू. मेरे को लगा इंग्लिश चेंज ही होगी मेरे मुंह के सामने. द स्टैंड ऑफ कंटिन्यूज. Two investigation judges seized after Mbappe complains against PSG for moral harassment. भाई मेरी रीडिंग स्किल्स देखना. A judicial investigation by words. ये देखो अब. Listen to this article. Oh भाई, can we listen to this article? भाई कोई उई तो नहीं करेगा ना? बहरा हो गया क्या? FN+ ये चल. Bro, what kind of scam is this भाई? तुमने what? They just wasted. Oh my god भाई, whatever. The stand-up continues. On Tuesday, words. 2 investigators have been appointed source close the case said and to investigate the accusations made the player who now plays as a striker for Real Madrid. Mbappe filed a complaint in Paris on May 16th. What? आज डेट क्या? आज जून कुछ नहीं है. He filed a complaint on May 16th. तो अब रिपोर्ट्स क्यों आ रही हैं? This report is latest भाई. This report is June 26 today भाई. What? Whatever. Oh why we cannot play this. A procedure has अबे ओए हट यहाँ से भाई. नहीं. A procedure has been entrusted to the British. Words. भाई कहाँ गया ये? PSG is not the only club facing accusations. So भाई PSG is a snitch I guess. कि PSG is not falling alone. They are dragging other clubs with them. Did they snitch? I don't know. Back in January 2024, the union filed a complaint against these unknown individuals, include accusing various clubs setting up these lofts of moral harassment, extortion to deliberately silence certain players in order, according to unions, to maximize transfer prices. This seems familiar, bhai, because clubs do this a lot nowadays. पता नहीं क्यों करते हैं, but it happens a lot. According to information complaint to the industrial, they would mention the press Mbappe lost in what? Failed marriage? भाई ये क्या था? What the hell was this? Whatever. This is what Kylian Mbappe meant when he filed a complaint against PSG for moral harassment. And PSG fans are not happy. Bhai, of course they are not. Bhai, I'm not a PSG fan, but I'm here for the jokes. No, वो jokes नहीं मतलब. देखो, Lee start. Seat Sazan, Mbappe says close. De Plantes Conte, Le PSG, Kede, trophies, Aventurandi, Real Madrid. This season Mbappe has more complaints like, oh my god. GG, bhai, GG. LOL. What the hell? With Mbappe, without, oh my god, bhai, without, bro, what? Can I dislike this? Can I, oh my, I'm just blocking this guy. Bro, what the hell was this? What? Free speech, bhai. Again, bhai, mazak satke. This is very serious. Because, bhai, कितने levels, इससे कितने tangents are to talk about. This lawsuit, first of all, जो ये यहाँ बात हुई है, this is crazy. They are talking about, oh my god, other clubs जिन्होंने same चीज करी है. Who knows else has it? हाँ? हर कौन होगी भाई? I don't know भाई. कौन सा वो अलीशन क्या नाम है उसका, न्यूमैन जो भी नाम है उसका. What the hell? This case is crazy. I'm waiting for updates on this. I can't wait, भाई. I have to see what happens in this case. This is crazy, insane, भाई. ट्रेंड भाई क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? वीनी, कोनाटे. Oh my god. Konate wants to leave Liverpool as a free agent in 2026. What the hell? That's crazy. Dean Hudson. Bro, this is insane, bhai. On multiple tangents, this is crazy. Pro sued them because they become better and won UCL right after he left, bhai. GG's. LOL, bhai. और कुछ कहने को है ही नहीं. Awaiting to see what happens with this. Awaiting to see कि इसकी details क्या है. Let's see. Mbappe कुछ बोलता ही नहीं बोलता. Fabrizio कुछ बोलता ही नहीं बोलता. Let's see, bhai. LOL.